Welcome back, folks. So we've got an interesting cocktail tonight, and when we were doing some research for Cinco de Mayo and drinks other than margaritas and Corona, what could you have? And this one came up as a tequila drink, actually a mezcal drink, called the Division Bell. Division Bell is an album by Pink Floyd, and one of the guys responsible for bringing mezcal and a lot of the agave, the tequilas, to the United States and really making that a boom. It's now a huge market segment in the United States is tequila. He made this because he listened to Division Bell evidently on repeat when he's making his bar. So we tried it. We're gonna have to make a little tweak here because we preferred it not with mezcal, and this is the one that it's called for, Del Maguey Vida, which is a really good mezcal, but we preferred it with tequila. So we're gonna make that, sub it out. So here we go. We've got tequila. We have Luxardo Maraschino Cherry Liqueur, great stuff. Aperol, interesting that you're mixing Mexican flavors and Italian flavors together. Then we've got lime juice. And then you have Fee Brothers Grapefruit bitters. This is something we added. We picked up a little bit of a grapefruit fruit hint to it. So we thought we'd accent that flavor by adding a little bit of bitters. So here we go. Tequila. You got 1.5 ounces. We like this tequila. It's pretty affordable. This bottle was $25-ish. You can spend a ton of money on tequilas. Your Luxardo Cherry is going to be 1/2 ounce. This is an expensive liqueur, and we barely use little bits of it, so it'd be a good one to buy the smaller bottle in just to save yourself some money. If you really like it, then you can go big. And then the Aperol is 3/4 ounce. There we go with that. And then the lime juice is 3/4 ounce. This is fresh lime juice. On juices, fresh is better, but you know, sometimes you can't always get it. And then these are the Fee Brothers Grapefruit bitters. We're gonna give it 2 dashes. This is just a bitters bottle. I think I can control how many dashes and how much comes out a little better with these. This is made by Whiskey, you know, that brand I love so much. So we're gonna shake this up. It's a good looking drink too, you know? You get that color from the Aperol. All right, you know it's a Whiskey. This is a Nick Nora glass, and it fits this cocktail pretty well. Makes it pretty full, but not so full that you'll spill. So into our glass we go. Right there, that's nice. It's a good summer drink. The modified Division Bell. All right, folks. Cheers. Stay safe. Enjoy. Trouble. Capital T Trouble. You can drink these like soda. This has no flavor of alcohol, no taste of it. Be careful, but enjoy it. Cheers, folks.